Are you tired of rock chips and dirt ruining your Tesla Model 3's paint job? Mud flaps, also known as splash guards, are a simple and effective solution. They deflect road debris, mud, water, and stones away from your car's paint, undercarriage, and brake components, helping to maintain its pristine condition. With the rising popularity of EVs and their low ground clearance, mud flaps are an even more crucial investment. Mud flaps for the Tesla Model 3 come in various materials and types, each offering different benefits for protection and style. Common materials include durable rubber, PVC, and plastic composites. Rubber provides excellent flexibility and durability for harsh conditions. Tesla offers official black mud flaps that are precisely molded to fit the Model 3's aerodynamic profile, ensuring optimal performance and appearance. Aftermarket versions provide more customization options, such as different colors or even LED lights for enhanced visibility in low-light conditions. When choosing mud flaps, consider sustainable materials like recycled rubber and plastics, which align with Tesla's eco-conscious ethos and reduce environmental impact. Before beginning the mud flap installation on your Tesla Model 3, proper preparation is essential for safety and success. First, gather all the necessary tools. You'll need a jack, such as a floor jack or scissor jack, along with jack stands for safety. A socket wrench is essential for removing any wheel liners, and zip ties or screws for securing the mud flaps. Ensure your workspace is safe and appropriate. Work on a flat, level surface with plenty of space around the vehicle. Make sure you're away from traffic and have good lighting to see clearly. Familiarize yourself with the mounting points on your Model 3. These are typically located on the undercarriage and wheel wells using pre-drilled holes or existing fender liner clips. Avoid drilling new holes to maintain warranty and resale value. Finally, clean the areas where the mud flaps will be installed. Remove any dirt, debris, or old adhesive to ensure proper adhesion and prevent contaminants from getting trapped, which could affect the fit. Now we'll walk through the step-by-step process of installing mud flaps on your Tesla Model 3. First, safely lift your Model 3 using the jack and secure it with jack stands. Always follow Tesla's recommended lifting points to avoid damage. If present, carefully remove the wheel liners in the area where you'll install the mud flaps. This provides access to the mounting points. Align the mud flaps with the existing pre-drilled holes or adhesive backing on the vehicle. Ensure proper positioning before securing. Secure the flaps using screws, zip ties, or clips, ensuring a snug fit. For the Model 3, try to use existing fender liner clips to avoid drilling new holes and maintain resale value. Repeat this process on all four wheels. The first tip for a secure installation is to avoid drilling new holes in your Model 3's fender. This helps maintain the vehicle's resale value by keeping the bodywork original. Second, use existing fender liner clips whenever possible. These pre-installed clips provide secure attachment points without modifying the vehicle. Third, double-check the alignment of the mud flaps to ensure they sit flush with the body. Proper alignment prevents gaps that could allow debris to enter and ensures a professional appearance. Fourth, tighten all screws and zip ties securely, but be careful not to over-tighten. Over-tightening can damage plastic components, leading to cracks or breakage over time. Finally, after installation, perform a final inspection. Check for any loose parts and ensure the mud flaps are firmly attached before driving. Installing mud flaps offers numerous benefits for your Tesla Model 3. Mud flaps can reduce rock chips by up to 80%, protecting your car's paint from damage caused by road debris. They also protect against corrosion by deflecting water, salt, and debris away from the undercarriage and brake components. Mud flaps improve vehicle efficiency by minimizing drag in wet conditions, as they help deflect water and reduce aerodynamic resistance. The added weight is minimal, under 5 pounds per set, so it won't significantly impact your Model 3's electric range. Tesla's official stance recommends mud flaps for off-road or rural use, noting they can extend paint life by 2 to 3 years in harsh environments. If you notice any rattling or looseness after installation, retighten the screws or zip ties. If the mud flaps are rubbing against the tires, ensure they are properly aligned and adjust their position if necessary. In regions with heavy snow, check for ice buildup on the mud flaps, as this can cause them to sag or break. Regularly inspect your mud flaps for any damage or wear and tear, and replace them as needed. The future of mud flaps includes integration with smart vehicle features, such as embedded sensors that alert drivers of excessive debris buildup via Tesla's app. Sustainability is also key, with companies using recycled ocean plastics for mud flaps. Autonomous integration may also be on the horizon, with mud flaps that deploy automatically in off-road modes or retract for urban driving to optimize aerodynamics. These trends will make mud flaps even more valuable for Tesla Model 3 owners.